What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Barber CVO in the building. As all you know, check it out right there, the new merch. Make sure you get it on Instagram. Follow me at Barber CVO 19. Check it out, check it out. We're here today on a beautiful Sunday morning. Gonna go to meet up with Mike Moto and see his new bike that he just got done from Get Lowered Cycles. And we're gonna meet up, go over his whole entire bike, check it out. And he actually did a transformation of his whole bike from black to like a special color, all chromed out, you know. It's a completely different bike. Unbelievable. So we're gonna go and meet up with him, and then yeah, we're gonna do a little ride to my boy house up in Keyport, New Jersey, and then we'll hit up a little more riding. So check it out. Make sure you follow at Moto Mike. I'm gonna link the description right here so you guys can check it out and follow him on Instagram and YouTube as well. So right now we're gonna do a quick little cold start. Check it out. All right. Oh yeah, here we go. Pave it. Yeah, the bike's looking dope. Looking amazing. Can't get any better than this, guys. Good stuff. All right, see you in a few minutes and we're gonna meet up with Mike, all right? All right, guys, we arrived here at the McDonald's in the Parkway and got to see Mike Moto's new redone, what year is it? 2019 Road Glide. Was it a special? No, regular. He got everything done as far as bags, fender, tank, front end, everything brand new, painted and everything. And this is from where? Avid Black. Nice, man. Got the chrome works right there. Sweet, man. Got the CVO type right there with the lights. I saw he had the Saddleman. Is this a Saddleman? Yep. Saddleman seat. Nice, man. Got the Trask time cover right there. Also with arlen ness air cleaner, air filter. Custom dynamics, I think. Yes. Turns. Nice. Got the Clockworks. These are custom dynamics too as well. Wow, sweet, man. Those are nice.
So they were supposed to send me the lower LED lights like this.
Okay.
But they sent me 2 of these. I sent one back and then they'll send out the lower LED lights. You want to get the lights that go.
Oh, okay. Nice, man. Sweet. Yeah, it got a little sparkle to it, as you can see it when you go side to side. Also got new levelers. Very nice. These are the CVO grips. And these are arlen ness, yeah, man. Very, very, very nice and clean, man. What'd you do suspension wise?
I went with the Legend Revo A's, but I went with the 12-inch ones.
12-inch, yeah.
Yeah, because the exhaust was so big. It was, when you put the suspension on, it wasn't lining up right. So I went with the 12s, but they could have modified it. But I didn't want all that modification stuff, because like say if I had to take the bike someplace else, I didn't want to.
Right.
So I just said, you know what, just put the 12s on there.
Very clean.
I love it.
Very nice. Sweet, man. Nice color. Did you paint the rims, or those are new rims?
Those are different rims. The same rims were blacked out. And I went with the Metsler tires on there too.
Nice. So those are new rims?
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. Very, very nice. Also the headers from Vans and Hines.
Yep.
Cool, man. How's she sound? Turn her on. Let me see. Let's see how she sounds right now. Oh yeah, what a big difference. Look at that. Hold your helmet, Give it a little rev. Man, that's nice. Wait till you break it in. It's gonna sound mean. Yeah.
Imagine what's going to look like when it's broken in.
Yeah, that looks really, really nice.
So,
you got a new helmet too?
No, same one I had last year.
It kind of looks like the same color.
Yeah, I know. So, last thing I'm going to do with the chopped tour pack.
Okay.
I'm going to order that from Advan Black, same color.
Nice.
Change out my rear floorboards. And do the ration supply, shifter pegs.
Oh, so you still got a couple things you got to do, little stuff.
Yeah.
All the major stuff.
What I want to do here.
Oh, you didn't put an emblem.
I had the little chrome emblems that I got, but I kind of want to go a different direction.
Okay.
I saw this bike where he had the chromed out #1s.
Oh shit.
I was like, oh.
That's nice.
Yeah, so I gotta find out where I can get those.
Okay. Very, very nice, man. Beautiful job. What kind of bars are these?
KST.
KST? Yep. Oh, same as mine. What inches?
12.
12 inches, right? Nice. I think 12s look good. I've seen some with 14. They look a little high, but 12.
Slow speed maneuvers with 14s, nobody could do it. Everybody's like, gotta put their feet down.
Yeah. That's true.
Put you just right.
Yeah. And you're a tall guy. How tall are you?
6'3".
You're 6'3". Yeah. Look at that, with 12-inch, and you're comfortable.
Super comfortable.
There you go. That's what we want to know, because people with the road glides, they put 14s, and then you can't slow maneuver, and it's hard for the turns and stuff. Yeah. So the 12 you said is very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Okay. Very nice. Alrighty. Look at that. There you go. Looking like a beauty. All right. Well, we're gonna head out, do some riding right now, and then we'll see how she performs and see how she goes. All right. Thank you, Mike, for doing a quick little video for me and showing your 2019 Road Glide. Looking dope. And what color was it originally? Black. Everything was black. So this guy spent quite some money. How much? Everybody's gonna want to know, how much money have you spent to do this at Galore Cycles?
Do this bike over close to $10,000.
$10,000 one shot. Get Lowered Cycles did a phenomenal job. They did a great job, and they've done work in my bike too as well, as far as performance and everything. So it looks fantastic. They did a great job.
Shout out also to Anthony Castellano, Advan Black Rep. Gave me an amazing price on this.
All right.
See him for the tour pack.
There you go. There you go. Tour pack coming soon. Tour pack for myself coming soon as well. You know, these two bikes are looking phenomenal. Looking like two CVOs right there. All right. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think. All right. We'll talk soon. Peace. Okay, we're about to gas up. Getting ready to hit the road. Go from there. Let's see how much cash I got. How you doing? Hold up. Gotta find my money. Let me see how much money I have. Not a lot. A card. We're getting ready to go to my boy's house in Keyport, New Jersey. He's ready to put my 6-speed cover, clear cover from Roland Sands. Little traffic here on the Garden State Parkway. Usually never too much traffic, but you know, gotta deal what you gotta deal with on a Sunday. We're gonna cross over on the other side. You're not supposed to, but so we got my man Mike Moto in the building. He's been waiting a long time for that friggin' bike, man. You know, he put some mad money into it. You know, God bless him, man. He could afford it. He could do it. You know what I mean? So, I don't think he had a vision on what he wanted on his bike, and that vision came true. You know what I mean? You gotta have the paper to do it. You know what I mean? So, he did it. I'm super happy for him. We went on a lot of rides during the winter time, and we couldn't get in touch, you know, because he didn't have a bike. So now that he's got his bike is back, you know, he can actually go on rides now. So I'm happy that he's back in business, back on the road. He only lives like 20 minutes away from me, so you know, now we're riding now together. Like I said, I met Mike through YouTube. He was a subscriber of mine and met up at the Poconos Harley one time, and we became friends after then. You know, he's a really nice guy. You know, he's down for whatever. You know, always willing to help out anybody who needs help in some type of way in their bike. So, real nice guy. A lot of the parts that he got from his bike are for, I think, Advent Black. It's a little tongue twister, but we'll go from there. See what happens. We got a rider right there. He looked like he's on tour. He's going somewhere. There you go. There he is. Look at that puppy go. Looking sweet, looking comfortable. You know, with these new bars from KST Kustoms, I have the same ones, 12-inch. He has a 12-inch. Different style, I believe. I don't know, I gotta check. I think so, because mine's go more flat. His more lean towards down. They look like my boy G's. G has a KST Customs. I don't know exactly what type of bars they are, but I gotta ask him.